Today, we'll cover the key signs indicating that your air conditioner might be in need of a repair. Your AC should be consistently providing cool air throughout your home. If it's not, it could indicate issues with the compressor, refrigerant levels, or airflow. Pay attention to unusual sounds coming from your air conditioner. Squealing, grinding, or banging noises are not normal and could indicate mechanical problems. These noises could be caused by worn-out components, loose parts, or even critters making a home in your condenser. Another sign that your AC needs repairs is a sudden increase in your energy bill. If you notice a significant spike in your cooling costs, it could mean that your system is working harder than usual to keep your home comfortable. Finally, if you're consistently adjusting your thermostat but can't seem to get your home to the desired temperature, it's time to call in the professionals. Remember, if you notice any of these signs, it's important to address them promptly to prevent further damage and ensure your air conditioner operates efficiently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more plumbing and HVAC tips, and we'll see you in the next video.